you mentioned fatherhood and how important it is to like actually rebuild America, because right now the country is headed towards the wrong direction. You don't have any kids, correct?
Not yet.
Not yet. When you do have your kids, what would you tell 16-year-old Mikey Jr. if you had to summarize all of your business lessons into 2 points?
10%. Do extra 10%. So if your job is asking you to show up for 8 hours, show up 40 minutes early and stay 40 minutes late and work an extra 40 minutes off the clock. Help clean up, learn, boom, boom, boom. Once you do that, you're going to be noticed by the people that are in charge, and you'll be given more responsibility. Doesn't matter if you get paid more or not, doesn't matter. In the beginning, you have to extra effort, an extra 10%. That would be the most important thing is showing, first of all, loyalty and then hard work. So work ethic. So billionaires, what I talked about yesterday, billionaires don't say, I'll start here. Millionaires say work harder, work smarter, not harder. Billionaires say work harder and work smarter. So I would teach my kid work ethic by showing up a little bit extra, whether that's baseball, football, wrestling, basketball, hockey, whatever he wants to play. He's going to show up. We're going to get him to practice a little bit early. He's going to get his own stretching in. He's going to have his own routines. So yeah, showing up early is very important, and staying late is very important.